you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I just received the box for November. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received my November, the box. This is the women's box because now they have the men's box that I did a few days ago. Apparently there was an item that was in here that took a little longer and they wanted to make sure all of our boxes were 100%. So instead of sending some random product, they waited, and now we got them a little bit later than normal, but everything should be in here as they anticipated. So let's go ahead and get in here. They do put your mailing label that covers the box, so I remove my mailing label and now I can get right in. So when you open it up, it looks like this, and it says the contents of this box may cause extreme excitement. You have scored $80 to $150 worth of products you will enjoy and love. So there's that, and their tissue paper with their little sticker that says the box. And then they do have this little card that says Family Crisis Center. With every box purchase, you're helping 1736 Family Crisis Center by assisting those in need in the form of monthly makeup, beauty and self-care goodies with the intention to enhance self-confidence and self-image. So they do donate some of their profits to that particular organization, which that's amazing. I love when boxes give back to others because then we're all helping each other in a little circle. So then once you open it up, that is a sneak peek of what is inside. Now, let's just go ahead and go with the first item right on top. And this is Sutra Beauty, and this is Rejuvenating Hair Serum. I wonder what this does. What does this do to your hair? Now, this right here is valued at $45, and it says on damp hair, apply a small amount of Sutra Hair Serum daily to hair. If straightening or blow drying, apply the serum afterwards to seal split ends and replenish the hair. Recommended to use after heat application to hair. And it says, if I can get it open. Okay, so here's the bottle. That's what it looks like. Very pretty glass bottle. And it says the Rejuvenating Hair Serum is formulated to give instant relief to the hair follicles immediately after heat has been applied. The serum penetrates the pores, hair shaft, which protects, minimizes frizz while keeping your hair silky soft. Let's see, how does this, oh, so it's a little pump it up.
Are you going to work or are you not going to work? How many times are you supposed to pump it to get it started? Let's get it started. What in the world? I think mine's broken. Just saying, because nothing is coming out. What is going on here? I mean, it's connected.
Finally. It almost got in my ear. I was trying to like feel if air was coming out. So it is just like a serum. It had to be right when I got it close to my hair, right? So we have a hair serum that takes a whole lot of pumping to get it started. But there we go. It smells good. It smells pretty good. So there's item number one. How many pumps later? So the second item in here is this guy right here. This is Bud Naked, and I believe I saw them post this on their Instagram, and I guess it's supposed to like help with the stretch marks. Clean, non-toxic, 12 free, and exfoliating, hydrating, nourishing, plumping, skin softening, skin renewing. It's a 6-in-1, and it's a CBD booty scrub. Scrub your booty. But I do believe that I saw that it's supposed to be good with like stretch marks as well. So let's see. CBD Sugar Scrub Butt Naked. This is $29. Sugar Scrub for the most natural exfoliation. Ooh, it's like a pretty like pink color. It's a pretty jar and it's glass. And it's a natural exfoliation and skin tightening. Smooth and refine your skin with the very first CBD infused body scrub. This sugar scrub is packed with botanicals that help exfoliate, refine, and smooth the skin. Use our sugar scrub as a pre-cleanse in the shower or after you cleanse to recap all the benefits of the CBD and clean botanicals. Made to help reduce stretch marks as well as help combat breakouts. It has a scent to it that I can't pick up, but it's kind of a familiar scent. I'm not quite sure, but that's what it looks like when you open her up. It did have the safety seal that I did remove. And I don't know what that scent is, but there is a sugar scrub with CBD, which that has amazing benefits. So there's that. Next we have is Fig Plus Yarrow, or I don't know if it's supposed to be Figaro. We got the same brand, I think, in the men's box because I remember that exact name. This is an orange blossom lavender complexion water, a hydrating skin toner with a blend of pure essential oils and herbal extract for skin nourishment. So there's that. To use, mist lightly over face and body, apply after cleanser and before nutrient booster or any time for an uplifting and renewing dose of hydration. Now it says lavender, so let me see first if I smell lavender, because then I won't want it on my face. And I'm not smelling lavender. I don't know if I'm gonna trust spraying this on my face because I already have a migraine right now and lavender normally intensifies my migraine. So I'm not gonna spray this on my face right now, but this guy is valued at $34. Okay, so moving right along, we have this guy right here. And it looks like this would be some type of a lip product. Lorela, I'm not sure how to say that name. And it looks like it might be in the color Fifi. And this is a liquid matte lipstick valued at $10. When you are searching for the perfect lipstick, look no further than liquid lipsticks. They brush on as smoothly as a gloss, but the pigment levels are a luxury lipstick. Let's see. When in doubt, just break the box. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It looks like a brown. I'm not sure how I feel about that color being on my lips, but oof, that is a brown. Like, I'm not fond of that color. It's like a poop brown. I mean, I'll put it on my lips so you can see, but I'm not fond of that color. Let me just tell you. Let's see. Ew. I don't know how it looks from there. I don't know how it looks from there, but from here, it looks like terracotta and baby poop made a lip color, and that's what they came out with. I'm not fond of that color. I mean, I don't know how, like I said, I don't know how you're seeing it on camera, but me up close, I don't care for that color brown. It's just, I don't know. That's just my own personal opinion, but I guess from a distance, it doesn't look that bad. I don't know. I don't know. But everything else I'm liking. I just don't know about the lavender situation, but that's, like I said, that's my own personal experience with it. It just doesn't sit well with me. So next we have is a palette. This is, looks like it says Cara Beauty Midnight Garden Shadow Palette. Ooh, that's pretty. Let me get the glare off. Okay, so the glare is off. Ooh, those are very pretty colors and how it shifts. I like the packaging. And this is $18. So everything combined for my box is $136. And that has the same pretty, that's cool because I don't ever keep these. So I'm glad that that looks the same way when you open it up. On the back, it goes over all of the colors. And then when you, ooh, this is bright. I wasn't expecting it to be these bright of colors, but that's pretty. There's that. So there's all of the colors, and that is a whole lot. So I'm not gonna sit here and swatch them all for you guys because you might not wanna see them anyways. But you do have some really pretty like mauve, pinks, purples, blues. There's a green, there's some shimmers, mattes, browns, more browns. I think it's a pretty palette, and I like that there's the bright colors so you can add a little pop of color, or you can stick with more neutral colors as well. So it's kind of like a palette for both. So I do appreciate that. I've never heard of this brand or anything. Going over everything we got this palette, which does have some bright, bold colors. We have the Orange Blossom Lavender Complexion Toner or Water. We have the hair serum. We have the butt scrub, the Bud Naked Beauteque scrub. And then we have this brown lip product. This is the only thing I'm like not thrilled with, but it could be definitely somebody's color out there. It's just, I'm not into that color brown. That's just my own personal preference. So that is everything that we got in this month's box, you guys. This is $19.99 per month. This is definitely worth $20 because it's also free shipping with everything you get in here, which mainly 3 of the items alone are well over the price of the box. This is $18. It's only $2 shy of the entire box. And yeah, so I definitely think the value is there. I think this one is a pretty good one, especially like if this is good for you guys. I know a lot of people love lavender, and this hair serum, I just hope it doesn't make my hair look greasy because most serums, that's what it does. So I never use anything in my hair, but I did put a little light bit up in there, and I don't see anything, especially if I stay away from my, it does smell good. If I stay away from my roots and it mainly like seals your ends, so that would be good. After I'm done straightening my hair, I can just run a little bit through the ends of my hair and see how that works. I'll try that tomorrow. And yeah, we got some CBD booty scrubbing going on. So that is everything. Again, comment down below, let me know what you guys thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. I'm gonna go take this poopy lip off my face. And yeah, so thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video, you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.